I wanted you to know. We're so glad to see you.
Probably.
Hello, George.
Out, and then whoever picks next, if they want what I got,
Oh, okay.
I have to trade with.
Okay. I don't know. Actually, that's
Starbucks. I saw this morning.
Cute.
It's a gift
Oh,
card.
it's a real gift.
Yeah, it's a real
There.
I had cut things that
That's
I
right, you
it was
cleaned
either,
out.
I cleaned out. It was either junk or.
I
Totally cleaned
out.
You should have gone to CVS, obviously.
I went to CVS and I said, okay, what in here
Really?
if I got
Well,
what I give
I
back?
figured. What?
I said, I went into CVS and I asked myself, what in here if I got it, would I give it back?
And after we wandered the aisles for several hours.
Always good to have one really good.
Okay. So now Mark is number 2. Who wants to pick for Mark?
I think Ron should do that.
Oh, I was going to say, I think Mark would want this.
Celia, would you ask Celia not to hide behind her gift? There you go.
Something for Mark.
Something for Mark.
I don't think Mark wants this. I can pretty much guarantee it.
That's the game, though.
But that's all right. Though. People are gonna.
All right.
Yeah.
Somebody else can always take it.
Yeah. Right. Open it up.
You have to open it. It's Mark's. You have to open it. So he knows what he's getting.
Well, we know what he's getting.
So he knows what he loses if it's a good thing, right?
That's true.
On YouTube, and show you.
Yeah.
Mechanical pastry bag. All right.
Can you imagine what this thing is?
Decorating.
Cool. All right. Huh.
Is that what's really in there?
Yes.
Okay, well, you never know.
Unopened.
You don't need this anymore, George.
Would you mind telling us how you happened to have
used
that? You got that as a gift?
Oh yeah, it was a birthday present.
Not from Mary.
No,
Okay.
Who's number
Okay,
3?
number 3.
I'm number 3.
All right.
All right.
Now wait a minute. Now if they
want.
if they want something, how does that work?
If they
Celia?
take yours, then you get to take something.
But they have to do that before they pick a new one, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
so if you want one of these things, you have to pick one of these before you open a new one.
No, I'll try yours though.
You want mine?
Yeah, I'm curious about this. No.
Oh,
I
my
mean the
present.
CVS.
Oh, okay.
Ah, it's new. He knows it's new. That's something.
It's a brick. It's a, what is it, tile? Are they selling tile at CVS?
All right. Here we go. What is it?
Oh, no.
Not another one. Is that a tray? Do you have one?
No, it's a marble cheese slicer.
Perfect. The prototypical white elephant gift,
There
right?
you go. There you go. That's why I thought. That's what I thought. I said, this is perfect. This is the kind of thing everybody gets.
Yeah.
Everybody really doesn't
Yeah.
want.
Right. Right.
Attractive and functional.
Thank you. Huh. Now there is a good.
Number 4.
Good thought.
That's number 4. Okay.
All right,
Now, would you
Celia.
like
What do
the
you want?
lovely cheese tray
You want
or
mine?
pastry bag? Now she's going to go for
There
the
you go.
unknown.
Good luck.
Aha.
Good luck with your stuff.
All right. Well, Mary, what would you like to say to Mark? Say hi to Mark.
Hi, Mark.
We're going to send this to me.
Yeah.
Let's put it on YouTube.
We are. Oh, that's the easiest way to communicate it. Yeah, that's right.
You're not putting that on YouTube.
Yes, we are.
Don't you have to ask our permission?
It won't have your names on it, but yeah, I guess I should. Do you mind if I videotape you?
Yes.
When you endorse your paycheck.
That's my permission. Okay, whatever. Have some more wine.
It won't have. See, it won't have any names. I think that. I mean, tell me if you know otherwise. But I'm thinking,
America's Most Wanted. I could get caught.
as long as you don't put any names on it, because when I put my family video, I just didn't put any names so they could search it.
You have that turned off for a while.
It's on.
What is that?
That's nice.
What?
Multi-blade herb scissors and herbs.
Multi-blade herb scissors. We're cutting herbs. You might want a pair in every room. That's what it says.
I thought that was to cut up credit cards.
Yeah.
It doesn't say
Look at
anything
that.
about that.
Look at that, Ron. It's just like your credit card.
It is, yeah.
Cutter upper.
Credit card shredder.
Yeah, so when you're trying to cut up your basil, you just,
Is that Ron Cody?
Okay.
oh, nice.
I think it would be good for everybody to say hello to Mark.
Hi, Mark.
Hold up your calendar.
Here's my
Hold up
lovely
your
box
calendar.
and stuff. Hi, Mark.
Okay, Mary is going to show off her butterfly calendar and her pastry bag, which you are so lucky not to be getting. She's sacrificing herself. And Allison has a butterfly calendar and bath fizzies or something like that, that she said. Okay. And Celia has got herb scissors and some bay leaves. How long have you had those bay leaves?
And ribbon.
And ribbon. And here's Eileen with Pooped Puppy's calendar and probably the most valuable gift here, a Starbucks gift card.
I think that one was pretty good.
And here we get some little,
Inherited when my mother
what are they called, vegetable dipping bowls? And,
Yeah, dipping bowls.
and nature's calendar, nature's colors.
Fun card.
And Rob's got a 3D puzzle. And what is that?
Scientific American.
Oh, it's upside down. Scientific American. Okay. And very good. Best of all, I think, of the gifts here is...
Mark, it is bitterly cold here. My hands have turned blue.
Believe it or not, these are vegetable scrubbing gloves.
Vegetable scrubbing gloves.
And is that me? Am I showing myself? Okay, hi Mark, we miss you. Wish you were here. Here's my Chicago calendar and my marble cheese slicer, which Lori bought especially today from the drugstore down the street, and it's the perfect white elephant gift.
Were you coveting the cheese
Oh yeah,
slicer
from
when
the
she brought it
beginning.
in?
From the beginning.
Lord.